Imagine I'm thinking of a number between 1 and 1,000. How many guesses do you need to find it? 1,000? 100? Try 10. The obvious approach is to check every number one by one. 1, 2, 3, and so on. This is called linear search. And in the worst case, you check all 1,000 numbers. But if I tell you whether your guess is too high or too low, you can do something much smarter. Guess the middle. 500? Too low? Then the answer is in the top half. And you just threw away 500 numbers with a single guess. Now do it again. Guess the middle of what's left. Every guess cuts the remaining numbers in half. 1,000 becomes 500, then 250, then 125. And after just 10 guesses, there's only one number left. This is binary search. It only works on sorted data. But when it does, the work grows with the logarithm of the input. Double the list, and you only need one extra guess. 1,000,000 entries, 20 guesses. 1 billion, 30. That's the power of cutting the problem in half.